In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to do a flowchart in Excel. So flowchart in Excel, that's what you're gonna do. So to get started, let's go to Insert, and under Insert, you have two options. You can use the Smart Art, do your flowchart, or you can use the shapes. In this video, we're gonna use the shapes. So let's click there. And when right down here, when you move down, you can see flowchart over here. Now that's what you're gonna use. Now under the shapes, we have flowcharts. So we normally have the start point of our flowchart as this. To enter text, right click and type the word start. Now we need to format this to show properly. To do that, we need to center it like so, and also increase maybe the font size and bold it. So this is our starting point. Then next, we need to put an arrow still under shapes, the different arrows. Right here, I click on it, then I drag to that point. Next, we are going to insert a decision. We want to make a decision at this point. And our decision, this is what we use for decision, which can be yes or no. Edit text, I'll say yes, stroke no. Now, if it is yes, we need to put another arrow. So go back to insert. Place this arrow and drag like this. Then we move on and put process like so. And also we can copy the formatting here onto this. So I go back, Format Painter. Like so. I'll need to increase the size. Then here we edit text, and we are going to say step 1. Can change the font size. Then we need to indicate whether this route is a yes or no. You can use a text box for that and say this is a yes. We do format it, increase bold and increase the font. So I'll just bold it, increase the font, like so. So this one will indicate our yes. I can copy this, Ctrl Z, Copy this. Do a paste. Change this to no. So we are saying if it is no, go to step 2. And if it is a yes, go to step 1. So still here under our shapes, come here, put an arrow like so. If I want to use this process and copy it, paste it there, call this process 2. This is my step 2. And right there we have our flowchart. Now, the moment you click on one of these, you see formatting up there. So if I do click there, there's these different kinds of formats that we can use. So maybe I can because I've highlighted everything, if I change one, all of them change, but this is not what I want. So I'll highlight one, then go to formatting, make the start that color, again formatting, make the decision that color. Now, because I'm going to change both of these at once, I need to highlight them, go to formatting, and select the color for them as so. So right here, then there are other features under this format. For example, I can align to the top. So when I do that, these two drifts upwards. I can resize them so that they are of the same size. So under formatting, there are a lot of things. You can change the fill, the outline, the text, change the borders, and all that. So this is a short video on the basics of using the shapes to prepare a flowchart in Excel. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscription button and see you in the next video.